In this video, I will show you how to paper trade on TradingView. To do this, first just go to tradingview.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. Now in the right, just go to a stock or a future or indice that you want to paper trade. For example, I can click Tesla right here, and what you will need to do is just open up a full chart. This can be of anything. From there, under the trading panel right here, you will see connect through our trusted brokers, and in the top left you will find paper trading. So this is the brokerage simulator by TradingView. I'm gonna select paper trading and then click connect. From here you will now have already started paper trading, so you can see your account balance. So here it's $100,000, and now you can use that account balance to buy shares and do whatever you would like to do. For example, if I just put in an order for 10 shares right here, you can see my account balance stays the same. So for example, if I just put in a market order of 10 Tesla shares right here, you can see that my account balance stays the same, but my equity goes down since I've now invested in those shares. And you can see my unrealized profit and loss is already starting to change as well. So that's how you can paper trade on TradingView. Now you can also sell it. So under paper trading here, you can see your positions. Right here, I have the position that is Tesla, and then I can just sell it if I would like to. So they make that super easy. You just have to click on the cross right there and then click close position, and then it will be closed. Now I closed in a loss, so therefore my realized profit and loss is minus $6.4. Now you know how to paper trade on TradingView. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.